Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a Toyota owner, you know that maintenance-required light can be a real nuisance, especially on your 2025 models. Today, in this quick guide, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to reset it yourself, saving you a trip to the dealership. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes, but remember, it's just a reminder, don't skip your actual maintenance. First off, let's talk about why this light appears. The maintenance-required light, often labeled as main REQD, pops up after about 5,000 miles or so, depending on your Toyota model, to signal that it's time for an oil change or routine service. Resetting it ensures your dashboard is clear, but always check your owner's manual for your specific vehicle. To get started, make sure your car is parked in a safe spot with the engine turned off. Step 1. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. You'll see the dashboard lights illuminate. Step 2. Locate the trip reset button. This is usually on the instrument panel, often next to the speedometer. It might be labeled as trip or have an arrow symbol. Press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. You should see the maintenance light start to flash or the odometer display change. Step 3. Keep holding the button until the maintenance light turns off or the display resets. Once it does, release the button and turn the ignition off. Finally, start your car to verify that the light is gone. That's it, simple as that. A few tips. If this doesn't work for your specific 2025 Toyota model, like the Camry or RAV4, double-check the manual, as procedures can vary slightly. And remember, resetting the light isn't a substitute for proper maintenance. Get your car serviced regularly to keep it running smoothly. We hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe for more car hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.